Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about organizational structure and specifically one of its type, functional structure, meaning advantages, disadvantages and suitability of this structure, that is functional structure. Organizational structure. Organization structure is the outcome of the organizing process. An effective structure will result in increased profitability of the enterprise. The need of an adequate organization structure is felt by an enterprise whenever it grows in size or complexity. The organizational structure can be defined as the framework within which managerial and operating tasks are performed. It specifies the relationships between people, work, and resources. It allows correlation and coordination among human, physical, and financial resources. And this enables a business enterprise to accomplish desired goals. The span of management to a large context give shapes to the organizational structure. Span of management refers to the number of subordinates that can be effectively managed by a superior. This determines the levels of management in the structure. A proper organization structure is essential to ensure a smooth flow of communication and better control over the operations of a business enterprise. Types of organization structure. There are two types of organization structure. First one is functional structure and the second one is divisional structure. Functional structure, grouping of jobs of similar nature according to their functions and organizing these major functions as separate departments creates a functional structure. All departments report to a coordinating head. In a manufacturing concern, division of work into key functions will include production, marketing, finance, etc. These departments may be further divided into sections. Thus, a functional structure is an organizational design that groups similar or related jobs together. Advantages of functional structure. Specialization. A function structure leads to occupational specialization. Since emphasis is placed on specific functions, this promotes efficiency in utilization of manpower as employees perform similar tasks within a department and are able to improve performance. Better control and coordination. It promotes control and coordination within a department because of similarity in the task being performed. Increased profit. It helps in increasing managerial and operational efficiency, and this results in increased profit. Cost reduction. It leads to minimal duplication of effort, which results in economies of scale, and this lowers the cost. Training becomes easier. It makes training of employees easier as the focus is only on a limited range of skills. Due attention. It ensures that different functions get due attention. Disadvantages of functional structure. Less importance to organizational interests. A functional structure places less emphasis on overall enterprise objectives than the objectives pursued by a functional head. Such practices may lead to functional empires wherein the importance of a particular function may be overemphasized, pursuing departmental interests at the cost of organizational interest can also hinder the interaction between two or more departments. Coordination problem. It may lead to problems in coordination as information has to be exchanged across functionally differentiated departments. Interdepartmental conflicts. A conflict of interests may arise when the interests of two or more departments are not compatible. For example, the sales department insisting on a customer-friendly design may cause difficulties in production. Such dissension can prove to be harmful in terms of fulfillment of organizational interests. Interdepartmental conflicts can also arise in the absence of clear separation of responsibility. Inflexibility in promotion. It may lead to inflexibility as people with same skills and knowledge base may develop a narrow perspective and thus have difficulty in appreciating each other point of view. Functional heads do not get training for top management positions because they are unable to gather experience in diverse areas. Now, suitability of functional structure. It is most suitable when the size of the organization is large, has a diversified activities, and operations requires a high degree of specialization.